Hello, I'm Tawanda House, and I, along with my teammates Raven, Latricia, and Matthew, present to you our project, the UCA LibGuides, or also known as the Library Project. Our project sponsor is Jessica Reed-Muller, and our project champion is Dean Covington. Our project scope is to reconstruct the Torresen Library's website to make it more user-friendly and easier for the students to navigate through the library's resources available to them. Jessica has been very passionate about revamping the library guides only because right now it's so cumbersome to use. It's not very feasible. So she was hoping that we could focus on the subject guides to where we can actually add context to help with the resources that are available. Our task that we have completed so far, we have spoken with Jessica and we have received her vision and direction about this. She's just been able to streamline exactly what it was that she wanted us to do. So that was helpful. She's given us a little bit of creativity, a leeway with creativity. However, the main focus is that we need to add more context to the pages in order to make it a little more fluid and make it a little more feasible for the students to use. She has also set up accounts for each one of us so that we could get our own point of view, our own experience with the library guides, just to see for ourselves how difficult it is to navigate through. We have also submitted ideas to her, just how we could revamp, how we could bring some things out, how we could add some hyperlinks, add some other ways to kind of, once again, allow a better navigational and a more user-friendly experience for the users that do use these guides. And we also have identified our team roles. Some of the upcoming the tasks that we have, we need to develop a sample library guides with clear direction and something that's user-friendly again. So again, we were really just trying to focus on making sure that if you happen to use this for the very first time, that you should be able to use it without any instruction at all. Which is really the goal. We want to be able to make sure that the user can get what they need with little to no guidance at all. Since I am a fully online student, it's been difficult to meet in person, but we are setting aside at least one day a week to where we can get together in person, or we are establishing conference calls. Right now, we're keeping up with each other through text messages. We have established a GroupMe project as well. So we're just making sure that we are staying in contact and staying in communication with one another. Once we have voted on a design, we will submit it to Jessica for her approval, and we will go forth with building the actual website, once again, to make it a little more user-friendly. Our milestones and dates with risk assessments. Again, we've met with our sponsor. We will finalize our design with the sponsor on September the 28th. Of course, we have our project report that's due on October the 12th. On October the 22nd, we plan to test the new design. November the 1st, we plan to pilot the new design among the focus groups. So we will establish an actual focus group to where we can get feedback if there's something that we may have overlooked, or if there's something that we thought was possibly easier, or it may not be. It just kind of helps to have a pilot so that you can get that type of feedback and make any changes that need to be changed, or anything that needs to be updated, any type of approval that needs to be met, or any requirement that we have overlooked, we can go on ahead and change it at that point in time so that we can prepare for the launch. November 2nd, we know that the project report 2 is due then, and then our LibGuides, the redesigned launch, will be on November the 6th. As of right now, the only thing as far as our milestones that we have completed has been that we have met with her, and we were able to receive her direction. Where we need help, more users to give us feedback regarding their current experiences. I know that my experience wasn't the same as my teammates, and I'm pretty sure that everyone else's experience isn't the same as someone else's. So just to get more feedback on what the user would like to see, I think that's important that we get it from our sponsor as well. But I also believe, and we had talked about this, that we also believe that it's important that we get direction and we get the feedback from the user as well as the students, just what they would like to see being incorporated in the new library guides. So that's where we are. Thank you for taking the time to listen to the project.